Hello everyone, welcome to Junior Programmer. I hope everyone have installed the software. If you haven't installed the software, please do check my previous video. I have given link in the description box. So without any further delay, let us move into the session. In this session, Crocs will be teaching you about components of the software. So who is Crocs? According to the software, Crocs is nothing but a sprite. So what does mean by sprite? If you ask me what does mean by sprite, I would tell sprite is like an actor which act according to our script. So here script is nothing but a code which we write. We have lot of option to choose sprite. Let us take a look into those options. To see options of sprite, let us click on this icon. So you can see the options of sprite. So you can scroll up and down to choose your sprite which you like. So here let me choose star into the window. I am choosing it and I am double clicking on it. So here the star on the stage. If you want to know info about the star, info about this sprite, right click on it and click info. So you will be getting what is the axis, in which axis the star is placed. X is 14 and Y is -11. And direction represent in which direction it will move if you give the command move. So you can see near the, you can see here move 10 step. If I give this command, it will move in 90 degrees, which means in the horizontal way. So in rotation style, if I give turn 15 degree or rotate, it will rotate from right to left. If I want to change, I can change like left to right. These things will be useful in coding. So this is the info, and let us see where our Crocs is in the stage. Our Crocs is right in 91 and 46. He is also having 90 degree and rotation style right to left. So now I don't want to have two sprites at a stage. So let me click on it and let me select delete. So here's the here only our Crocs is there on stage. He will be rocking on the stage. So let us move to the next, that is stage backdrop. So this is the stage backdrop. So here if you can visualize the white area behind the Crocs, right? This is the stage backdrop. We can change the stage backdrop as like sprite. So here let us choose stage backdrop, some other stage backdrop as we have did for sprite. So to choose, I am clicking on this icon so that it will open up to the backdrop library. So as like sprite, you have so many options like Castle 1, Castle 2, building at MIT, etc. You have so many options. So let me choose sparkling, or let me choose slope. Double click on it. It will get applied at the backdrop. So I have already chosen sparkling before, and now I have given slope. So whatever backdrop you like, you can choose. So when it can be used, if you are going to create some animation movie, or if you are going to create some game after learning programming from scratch, we can do some of these things. So these setting backdrops will be useful in that time. So I am just giving a small intro about it. This is about backdrops. So then one more thing, you can upload your own sprite and own backdrop from our local library, which means from our computer. You can download some backdrop from internet, and you can edit or you can paint, and you can include it into the scratch. So these are the facilities available in scratch. And then next we have tabs such as scripts, backdrops and sounds. So scripts, what mean by scripts? So script is nothing but a code here. As I said before, Crocs will act according to our scripts. So here the code which we write, we'll take the option, we'll take the commands from here. If I click, so let me click, wait a minute, it is getting stuck. Script. So if I click looks, so you can see the many options here, which is the command. And this software, you needn't to write any commands, or you needn't to memorize any syntax. So here you just want to do is, if you click motion, you can wait a minute, I have to click on this sprite so that motion script will get enabled. So if I click on move 10 step, so Crocs will move 10 step. Let me explain you that. So I am dragging this option from motion, move 10 step. Okay, let me change like 40 step. So if I click on it, let me move the Crocs to the left side, and if I click on this move 40 step, our Crocs Croc is moving right. Yes, these are example for motion. These are the example for commands. So likewise you have commands under motion, look, sound, pen, data, events, control, sensing, operators, and more blocks, etc. You have commands under this. What you need to do is just click and drag into the right portion. So here you will be dragging all the programming codes here. Okay, then comes the costume. So costume, here we have Crocs, right? The Crocs, different motions of Crocs are here. Like you can see the Crocs, one hand is up and one hand is down, and here both the hands are up. Here likewise right hand is up and left hand is low. So these are the costumes, which means you have different sprite options for the same sprite. I mean different motions of the same sprite. That is what costume. And sound, you can have some sound attached to this program. If you are going to do an animation movie, or if you are going to do a program, you need some sound, right, behind the program or behind the animation movie, so that it makes the program alive, it makes the animation live, right? So to include audio, there is audio option. So if I click, you can click on this, as like you can go into the library, you can choose whatever sound it is in the library and you can bring it there. It is very easy, as like sprite or background. Just double click on it, so there comes the dance around. So if I play, you will get the sound. Okay, if you want to record, so I'm stopping the sound, and if you want to record your own voice, then you can choose this option, record new sound. So I'm clicking on it, and I'm just clicking on this button so that I can record. So after recording I can stop. So here comes my voice. So if I turn on, see, I'm just clicking on this button, so I'll be stopping. So this is what the recorded voice. Or you can, as like said before, you can upload your own sound file from the local file. So these are the three tabs which I want to explain you before going into the program. And the gray area is the part where you will be dragging the command lines into, and you will be arranging the script, arranging the code. So according to the code, your Crocs or whatever sprite which you are using will act. So let me show you the sample program. So let me click on the, and before that I want to explain you a very important thing. That is here you can see here, right, a flag and a stop option, flag option. So in each and every program you will be adding this. Okay, this is the flag option. If you click on this flag option, which means starting of the program. I mean you are allowing the program to execute. You are instructing the Scratch to execute the program. So next, what is meant by stop? Obviously, if you want to stop the execution of program, you can click on the stop. So what I am going to show a simple program. So I'm just when sample clicked, and I want to turn my Crocs to 15 degree, and he has to move 40 steps. Okay, let me click here. See, he is moving in 15 degrees and 40 steps. So let me click here, the same thing will happen. Yes, this is what I show you. This is a simple program.